Hey there, welcome back to my channel where we uncover the amazing world of materials under different conditions. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating domain of high pressure effects on polymer and composites. So grab your lab coats and let's get started. Back in 1970s, researchers were hard at work studying polymers and the magical world of high pressure. They found something incredible, that pressures could actually change the properties of polymers. I'm talking about things like their strength and cracking behavior. Radcliffe in 1972 and Pei with Teja in 1975 were among the pioneers in this research. Now let's shift our focus to composites. You know, those materials made by combining stuff together to make something stronger. Turns out high hydrostatic pressure might also have an impact on how these composites behave mechanically. Some brilliant minds decided to explore this territory. But here is the catch. Testing composite material under high pressure needs special equipment. Just like in the movies, researchers used a unique setup. Picture this: a double pressure vessel that balances the pressure while the material is being tested. The pressure vessel setup allows them to test the mechanical properties of the material under pressures of up to 100 megapascals. They even had view glasses to watch the material in action and cameras with nifty software to measure how the material deforms and fails. It's like a scientific movie happening in real life. Now here's the exciting part. By using this setup, scientists can figure out how different properties of material change under high pressure. For thick composites in deep water, they are especially interested in compression strength. You see, that's like how well the material can handle being squished. This table showcases some results they found, and guess what? These results reveal something really cool. When they applied pressure during compression tests, the material actually became stronger. Talk about pressure making you tough. But there is more. Scientists looked into what's happening between the layers of these composites. It's kind of like checking how the glue is holding everything together. Figuring out the interlaminar properties can be super important. In this figure, we can see results from a study done with similar equipment shown on left. The results showed that the increasing pressure, there is a small reduction in value of fracture energy for in-plane shear. Imagine sliding two layers of material past each other. It's like discovering hidden secrets about these materials. And there you have it, folks. High pressure isn't something that squashes stuff. It can actually make materials stronger and change how they behave. Who knew pressure could be such a game changer in the world of material science? If you enjoyed this journey through the world of high pressure materials, in the next part, I would be discussing about the hydrostatic pressure testing to understand implosion of composite cylinders, which was one of the main components of Titan submersible. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, science is always full of surprises. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.